After the day's production, ensure the equipment is shut down properly before leaving. Turn off the machine's pressure and put it into recirculation mode to prevent material from traveling down the spray line. Place the spray machine into park mode. This causes the piston on the ISO side to be flush with one side of the cylinder, preventing the piston from getting stuck in the middle of the cylinder if the ISO crystallizes. Block the ends of any lines that are open to minimize the risk of a spill. Leave the temperature and pressure set points the same, and then power off the machine. Lastly, manually shut the valves in the lines to prevent any material from spilling overnight. A reminder on safe handling and proper PPE. Be sure to avoid contact with unreacted chemicals, and avoid allowing the polyol and especially the isocyanate to come into contact with your skin or your eyes. Should this happen, refer to the MSDS for proper first aid and hygiene instructions. The person applying the VORAMER adhesives should wear safety goggles and a full face shield. Persons working near where the product is being applied should wear safety glasses with side shields. Wear gloves when handling the unreacted chemicals or when applying the mixed materials. Nitrile or polybutadiene gloves are recommended as they provide resistance to the isocyanate and are also tear resistant. Wear proper protective clothing over the arms and any exposed skin that may come into contact with the materials. Paper suits are acceptable protection as long as they are discarded after being stained with unreacted chemical. Apply the materials in a well-ventilated area. If the possibility of respiratory exposure exists, wear a half-mask respirator with NIOSH-approved cartridges for organic chemicals. If ventilation is poor in the area where the material is being applied, a full-face positive pressure respirator is required.